Hi there, I'm Paul Gutowski with the Surrendery channel. I want to spend a couple of minutes with you to talk about alcoholic drinks. Having done alcohol and drug counseling for about a quarter of a century, one of the common mistakes that my clients have made over the years is in recalling and reporting how much alcohol they had the night that they got stopped. Assuming they got stopped for DUI, which is probably the most common way that I get to see people, your average DUI blood alcohol concentration level is about 2 times over the limit. And I've often had people over the years insist they couldn't have possibly had that much alcohol. No way. The machine must have been wrong. Well, when it comes to serving size, it's pretty convenient when it comes to beer. A 12-ounce can of beer is generally going to have 12 ounces of beer in it, and that just happens to be one serving size. So assuming the person doesn't spill any as they pour it into a cup or a glass, that fits. Distilled alcohol is a little bit different. I'll ask people over the years, well, how big was your drink? And using a little iced tea here, person might say, oh, about that much. That was a drink. Well, in their mind it might be a drink, but not by any official standard. When you're talking about an official standard, an official definition for what a drink is, usually you're going to talk about 1.5 ounces. That's what most state DUI websites refer to, federal websites as well. Ounce, 1.5 ounces, depending on how proof, depending on how concentrated the alcohol is. But if you're generally assuming about 40% alcohol content, 1 ounce to 1.5 ounces is going to be pretty accurate. Well, how much is 1 ounce to 1.5 ounces? Well, if you go back to that 12-ounce can of beer and you divide it in half, and then divide that in half, and then divide that in half, that would be 1.5 ounces. That would be, if you're dealing with distilled alcohol, that would be a drink size. You can do it that way. Or you can do it the way that we're going to do it right now. We're going to go ahead and measure. You've seen these in your kitchen, whether you do any cooking or not. This is a tablespoon. 3 of these equals 1.5 ounces. So, we're going to do 1, and we're going to do 2, and we're going to do 3. What do we got? We got this. That is a drink size. No ice cubes, no filler. But if you're dealing with that much alcohol to begin with, that is an official definition of a drink. This. Okay? Even if you just, actually, let's do it like this. Let's just say the person had an extra tablespoon. What the heck? Let's add a couple more tablespoons. Let's say a person says that's about how much they have. Okay, that doesn't seem like that much more, but that is 3 tablespoons more. That's an extra drink size. So, think about it, be safe, be well, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and as my dad used to say, we'll be seeing ourselves. Bye.